This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, July the 5th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening. Several complexes of showers and thunderstorms, one over Nebraska, one over Minnesota into northern Wisconsin, another over the Ohio Valley into the northeast, and moisture coming up through the desert southwest into the Great Basin area. The watch warning map from a bit before midnight shows several excessive heat warnings and heat advisories across the middle part of the country, the Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes, the Middle Mississippi Valley, and some severe weather watches up in northern Minnesota during the morning hours. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, shows some decent amounts of rain to our north, to our west, and to our south, and around here maybe a quarter to a half an inch if we're lucky, maybe heavier in thunderstorms. See if we get any with the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. There's the 594 ridge centered about near Sedalia, Missouri. And around that, it'll be hot. A frontal system will be easing close to the state. There could be a very isolated shower or storm near the Minnesota border. It looks to stay mainly in southern Minnesota. Highs near 100 once again. Still will be near 100 again here for Friday, with a low pressure near Mitchell, South Dakota. Showers and thunderstorms with that. That'll be easing in here on Saturday. Some showers, some thunderstorms, maybe a 20 to 30% crack at that. And temperatures will be slowly dropping into the 90s here for Saturday, maybe a few upper 80s at that point. Sunday, the front moves through. It turns cooler. Temperatures back into the 80s at this point. Right now, it looks to be mid to upper 80s right now with all the rain to our south and southeast. Heading into Monday, the GFS is painting some shower activity. I think it's going to remain dry, however, but temperatures are still going to be in the 80s across the state. Tuesday is the same as Monday. GFS wants to paint in some showers and maybe an isolated storm, but with high pressure close by, I don't think it's going to happen. Readings still in the 80s. And for Wednesday as well, the GFS continues to want to show some shower activity. There could be one, but it's doubtful. Temperatures still in the 80s, all the rain to our south and southeast. And a week from today, on the 12th, the ridge is beginning to build up once again, but we still have the weakness over us, over the Mississippi Valley. And with that, we could see some shower and thunderstorm activity not that far away, but it's going to remain mainly over the south and southeast and over the desert southwest with the monsoon. And it's still going to remain quite seasonal with readings in the 80s at this point. A couple days later, on the 16th, the ridge is beginning to build again. Storm track way to our north at this point, and with the storm track way to our north and the ridge building, we could see an isolated shower storm. It is summertime, popcorn activity, but with the ground being as dry as it is, the chances of this happening are pretty remote unless we start getting a lot of rain real quick. And at the end of the forecast on July the 20th, storm track well to our north again, some energy moving into the Pacific Northwest at that point. And again, with the storm track to our north, all we could see right about now is maybe some popcorn showers and thunderstorms with summertime daytime heating. But with the drought conditions in the state, it's looking pretty doubtful at this point. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Friday.